Today I'm sharing 5 incredibly useful iPhone tips that are easy, practical, and perfect for everyday use, especially if you want to get things done faster without having to dig through endless menus. So let's get started. Your iPhone can do things simply by tapping the back, almost like having a secret button. You can make a double tap or triple tap. Turn on your flashlight, open your camera, take a screenshot, or, my favorite, open a quick note. Open up Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Tap Touch. Scroll all the way down to Back Tap. Choose double tap or triple tap, then select the action you want. I'm going to make double tap, give me a flashlight, and I'm going to make triple tap, give me a quick note. If you want to do something custom like a quick note, you'll have to set it up in shortcuts. Tap the plus sign, search for quick note, tap Show Quick Note. Once you tap back, you'll see Quick Note is in the list of all my shortcuts. Now go back to Back Tap, choose a shortcut, and find Show Quick Note. I'm going to tap 2 times, and there is my flashlight, or as people across the pond like to say, my torch. It recognized my 3 taps and it opened a new quick note. Tip number 2, take a person or object out of a photo instantly. Your iPhone can lift a subject straight out of a picture with one long press. Once you have done that, you have the option of copying the picture, saving the picture, or creating a sticker. Let's see how. I'm going to find a cute picture of my dog. So you're going to do a long press and then you'll get the menu. You can copy it or add a sticker. So right now, let's make a sticker. Add sticker. And now the sticker is added. I can press the plus sign. I can go down to stickers. And I can choose that picture I just made and send it. If you want to copy it, long press, press copy. And then I can open up a note and I can paste. And now the picture is in my notes. Tip 3, use your calculator to do conversions. If you look at the top right icon, you can find Convert. Go ahead and press it, and then you can choose what you're converting. You can choose currency. You can go to the currency you're coming from and the currency you're going to, type it in, and you'll see the conversion immediately. Perfect for quick calculations while you're traveling and easy to use. Tip number 4, extend your battery life with a charging limit. Let's go ahead and open up Settings, find Battery, select Charging, choose your limit. Most people recommend 80 to 85%, which you can do by sliding the slider. But if you know you'll need full power because you're going to be away from a charger, I recommend that you go and change it to 100 so your phone will be completely charged. Or as you see, a menu came up and you can say allow till tomorrow. And then tomorrow it will automatically go back to 85. This keeps your battery healthier in the long term, but still gives you the control you need when you need a full charge. Tip number 5, scan any document right into Notes. I'm going to open my Notes app and I'm going to press the 3 dots. And if you look at the top menu, you're going to see 3 options: Scan, Pin Note, and Lock. I will select Scan, hold my phone over the page that I want to scan, press the button. I can adjust it by grabbing the dots, press Keep. Don't forget to press the arrow to save it. And now I have a scan right in my notes of the street map so that when I'm walking around, I won't get lost. Thanks for watching Techie Tutor. Don't forget to click the like button below, subscribe to my channel so you'll always know when new videos come out, or become a member and you'll have first dibs on watching any new content.